Running the CHKDSK tool on Windows can help you troubleshoot tons of issues. However, it is frustrating when this tool displays error message like this. And if you also happen to have the same problem, we'll help you out by exploring these easy fixes you can apply. So for the first method, close active programs and restart your File Explorer. To do it, open Task Manager from your taskbar. Right-click on your Windows Explorer, then select Restart. Alternatively, close the File Explorer completely and see if that helps. Next up, disable the read-only option on your removable storage devices. Do it by opening Group Policy Editor, navigate to Computer Configuration, go to Administrative Templates, select System, then choose Removable Storage Access. Now you have to locate the removable disk, then the Read Access option on the right-hand side, and to disable it, double-click on the option, then select Enabled. Alternatively, you can select Disabled or Not Configured to enable the read-only mode. From there, you have to press Apply, then click OK. Finally, you have to restart your device to save these changes. Alternatively, you can also run a scan using the Windows settings. Do it by opening Settings, go to Update and Security, choose Virus and Threat Protection, select Scan Options, and then choose the full scan option from the list of options. Then, press the Scan Now option and follow the on-screen instructions. Now that's how you can fix the following Windows error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.